Here's how to add your name to the Contributors.md file. First, let's go to the Easy to Get repository. First thing we want to do is make a fork. Then we want to download this fork onto our local machine. I'm going to open up Terminal. If you're on Windows, you should use Git Bash for this step. We're going to use git clone for this command. As you can see, I'm now getting Easy to Get on my desktop. I'm going to navigate into the Easy to Get directory. Now if I do git status, I can see that I'm working on the master branch. So I'm going to check out a new branch, add name. I've now switched to add name. So now let's make some changes. Open the Easy to Get folder. Open Contributors.md file. I'm going to open this with Atom. You can open it with any text editor. I'm going to go ahead and add my name. And if I want to add a link to my GitHub account, I will go to my GitHub account. This is a link to my profile. I'm going to copy that. Save this. If I do git status, Git recognizes that the Contributors.md file has been changed. Tell Git to track these changes. Let's package this change into a commit. For the message, I'll say, I added my name to the Contributors.md file. I'm going to push my changes up to my forked version of the project. Origin is my version of the project. And I want to push the add name branch I've been working on. I have to enter in my username and my password. If I go to my forked version of the repository, I'll see that some changes have been pushed to the add name branch. If I click here, we can see that I've got a master branch as well as an add name branch. If you look at the master branch and we look at the Contributors.md file, we'll see the name that I added is not there. Look at the add name branch. Look at the Contributors.md file. We'll see that here's the new name that I added. Now I can go ahead and ask to merge my add name branch with the master branch of the main project, which is this. Click compare and pull request. And then I can detail the changes I've made. I click create pull request. So now I just have to wait for my changes to be merged. If I go to the files changed, it says that there's a new addition. That addition is this line of code that we added, and there's nothing else that's been changed. And that's all there is to it. In the next video, we're going to cover how to add a camper cell to challenge 1. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.